Good morning, guys. Day 3 of the pectus excavatum transformation. All right, so yesterday I met a cool person by the name of Carlos. What's up, Carlos, if you're watching? And he was telling me how some people either got the genetics or they don't to get bulk and to get big. So I was thinking to myself, you know what? Maybe I don't even have the genetics. But him bringing that up sort of inspired me to ask people that are jacked if they think I got it or not, because supposedly you could tell by looking at the person to a certain extent. So thank you, Carlos, for today's content idea. We're gonna ask jacked up people if they think that I have the genetics to gain 30 pounds of muscle and to get ripped and bulk and to be smooth. So let's see what happens. Talking to a friend yesterday, and he basically said some people either have the genetics or they don't to grow 30 pounds of muscle, which is my goal by June. And they say by looking at someone you can tell if they got the genetics or not. So I'm asking you, by looking at me, do you think I got it in me?
When did you start working out?
Yesterday.
Have you ever
or 2 days ago. Yeah, I've worked out before. But I've never taken it serious to where like I want to bulk, like, you know, like maybe half of that.
Yeah.
You know?
Pounds is a lot. By then, I'd say if you haven't worked out in a while, you could put on 15, 20.
Okay. All right.
If you're taking shit, you can put on 30, but I would not go that route.
Cool. All right. Cool. Definitely.
Yeah.
No. We're trying to do
never,
natural.
Never. All natural.
Absolutely not. All right, man. Thanks a lot. What's your name?
Derek McGuire.
Derek McGuire. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah.
All right. So there you have it. Derek just inspired the hell out of me. He said I could only gain about 15 pounds. Now I got to go extra hard. I got to go twice as hard. Let's do this. That one next. Right, just worked out tries, great workout. Let's check out how much we weigh. All right, so about 180 today. All right, so we hit about 180. So it's an average of about 181 in the past 3 days. It's going up, but you know, it's still very early, who knows what it is. I did eat a ton last night, this morning, and I also lost a ton in the restrooms. But let's go take a shower and let's get out of here. Let's go to work. What's your name, brother?
Nickname's DJ. What's happening?
What's up, DJ? Hey, DJ, I heard that you either got the genetics or you don't, and you can tell by looking at people. So my question to you is, by looking at me, do you think it's possible to gain 30 pounds by June 2018?
It's a blend of both. It's a blend of genetics and how much work you're willing to put in.
Gotcha.
You know, sometimes people use the whole genetic thing as an excuse.
Yeah.
But it's possible.
Yeah.
You really gotta, count your calories. You really gotta set a game plan. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cool.
Once you start doing that, it's possible.
Gotcha.
At least get within like 10 to like 15 pounds of your goal. Make it a bit more realistic. You know what I'm saying? Give it a bit more leeway.
Gotcha. Cool, man.
And then, you got a good target.
No doubt,
If
man.
you keep working at it, eat right, do your research, you'll be good.
Cool, man. Thanks a lot, bro. Last but not least, they say that you tend to be like the people you hang out with and you work out with. So the question is, man, I'm trying to get like you. Any chance that you and I could work out together one of these days?
That's a possibility.
All right, guys, there you have it. It is possible. It's going to be hard, but it is possible. I had a great day of eating today. It was probably my first day where I really tried to hit my calories. I surpassed 2,660. I've been using this app called My Fitness Pal or something like that. Really great day of working out and eating. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks for your support to my other videos. It really does touch me. I really appreciate your support and your comments and the love. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more pectus transformation, for turning our pectus excavatum into a pectus legacy. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, this isn't working out as I imagined.